Oh my God.
Yeah.
It did come up.
If it come up, I got blood clot at the way if it come up.
Yeah, move same time. No move same time, make you sing run a little bit. I don't want to drive with him, I don't want to get banana. Thanks. Oh my God! You hear me son, give me a banana, brother?
No, go get banana or grape or a pineapple. Oh, the blood clot, man. Them chat so.
Somebody say how the blood clot this. Then the boy could have really called disgrace me, sir. Oh God. The boy could have really called disgrace me, sir, and it's real.
How is that?
Oh God. Wait now. They have different ones in there. The ones that me the one.
You want to talk about what eat this?
Then different, and I want them with the one.
No, what I say something you tell me what eat this.
No, but I'm fooling now. Let me see which one that is.
The bow buck like this. How much is that? Yeah?
Look like bird.
3,000?
$7,000 me spending them.
No, for this.
You know I said good, brother.
So what this one?
Marvin, come on, time.
What this one?
Try it now. Near me, you just near me. Pop it on near me.
Like a fire. Cocoa bread.
It's not cocoa bread.
I cocoa bread this pussy
I know cocoa bread.
So what about this?
It is something about cocoa bread. Let me try another one. One new one in the dish. Never tried before. Oh my God.
I suppose a pussy like cocoa bread is that one now?
I copy that.
I
I buy everything in there. Buy one like everything.
What's that?
You don't like it?
First and the last.
That tastes good, man.
A chocolate, give me that.
So you can taste from. It is good, man. Look at now. Oh! Look like egg.
What is that up?
And I make like bread.
Oh. Where that be? Alright. What is that?
I'm not egg.
So tell me something. You don't know I want to buy?
It tastes good. It's
yummy. Yeah, man. But I'm going to make coffee. Me use the coffee.
Look there. It tastes good, well. You know here, man.
Suck your mama. When your mouth your mother batty boy. Go suck your mama come up here. When your mouth your mother.
Yes, guys. So talk to them.
Everything on the sun run with. Everything on the sun run with. When we get something for run with it, man. Go on with it. Everything on the sun take on the run with it. Everything on the spine there on run with it. Go on with it. You get emotional for real, like something goes on.
I get emotional for real because me I say, cause remember I know we are cussing about.
So weak, man.
Me never know say cuss are gonna get so serious.
You're so weak.
Until me have to start make up things, you know?
No, I mean, because that never night.
What I tell me here,
You want in the face never night. You play the battle with the never night.
when me hear you talk about dash your belly, and how much fuck up, me I say no man, me have to get technical, no.
You want in the face never night. And you deal with the battle never night.
You know which part hurt me when me realize that my friend them actually switch up with you and then me hear you say you tell them things, you know.
Good.
Me start ball come here say, I can't say you're wicked if you do that.
Yeah, Jaden that text me.
And I talk about jelly and something, I say wicked man.
Yeah, Jaden. Why am I on the live? Jaden text me. Yeah, Jaden.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jaden. Yo, give me peace. Give me peace. I say no. I say lawyer man, cause you're gonna take it too far. But when I say start talk about the blood clot, nyam, so me name put your wine on my face. But I tell him to go live, and I tell you a ton of money.
Listen to me.
But when I get involved, I'm telling her, say no, you don't cuss him.
Yeah, because I realized that she walk on go like she serious.
But in last
walk on jumping at me argument.
No, but she don't know about it in last.
Me know she don't know, that's why I see screen record when I tell her tapping eyes and she just tapping eyes stuff. Come here, I wonder how she's so happy if you go argue with me.
There's if you don't cuss. I mean, I think cuss. The one really certain taste kind of better.
Which one? The chocolate?
Back here.
You know you're not gonna like at least
It's a fun cocoa bread with fun chocolate in the middle. I can't make this on my yard. I can't make this on my yard.
Add them up back. Add them up back.
You see me the boy.
You should have put a... You should have put a... Man, nice, no?
He's off, man. Bumbo class. He's off. Before we put you on D&D.
Then the depany, he just a disconnect. Like internet never had pick up.
Thank you, no matter what. I feel people not gonna the rest of my people them as a friend me now cost to extend and say something wrong.
Fix that for me, please. The coffee sweet like hell. Go live off your phone.
Good.
Hello? No, me dey on live.
Bad.
Alright.
Bad. It's bad.
Guys, we telling the cemeteries them did real because everybody expect say he might go cuss me so. And when me see them a cuss, you know say people them make a cuss so bad do because them tell me say you say things you never say. And them tell you say me say things I never say. And that and that really trigger it.
Tell the van scratch, tell the van scratch for say, dude. They can't manage you. What you say?
I tell me gonna cuss off it too.
But I'm not go hard.
But me cuss, me win you know?
But me you win no.
Guys, who win the argument? Talking to I mean win the argument.
Bro, I chew.
But I mean win, bro.
You me know saying a real, me could cuss back to you fully.
I mean win the
argument.
argument.
Can me know say I fuck up. But somebody say yo, chop me. I'm a child, me can't.
And that, look, that they said you win. Me tell us I mean win, you know.
Bro, listen me I say. The only reason why me could cuss back to you fully is like coming and normally cuss back, cuss people. Because me know say this, where we are going with it no real.
Exactly.
So me could find the courage.
But guys, the reason why we done it now because it went too far for true. People name get called, we should get called. And it just did get called. And it just did get it just got so bad.
Bumba what do you man?
Just don't know. Just don't. Let me make you.
Fuck the you, calm down man. I might be there you. Draw.
Don't you call me? Don't taste good enough, man. Don't need to put on back.
What about
It was no prank. Anything when you want to say?
You busy with them?
Don't them not something.
Request off.
Hello? Good to say me dear. Somebody say all the Bible. You did have Bible for true?
I'm mad with them. Yeah, but
Jabass, you drink all
Bible say me pussy. What time I lie?
You better tell the people them. You better. I got to come with that belly how much man I fuck me.
No, but because you lie, me that tell.
Me come on as ass. You better. Hey.
Me tell the people them brawling say that a part of their life me I tell. Because me hit on your ass no.
All of them born me man.
But that's your belly part.
Yeah, come in and run them joke there.
Me go.
Me da rather fi tough you to my youth and me and my youth suffer together more than me da show you mad. When I say that, hear me now, Lord God, it look like say, me I say look like we plan for cause. Hear me now, me I say it look like we plan for cause. And you know, remember say a plan, we plan the cussing. And that means start meds, you know.
I start them boy in the face. Let me not have to defend my badness.
Because I talk about how my bad man, my friend them and me track them also. You hurt me, you know?
It's a part
you hurt me because me actually love the girl a long time. Me and the girl a friend, brother.
But you see a part,
so me actually love the girl.
Hey, you see a part, you know? I should be silly because we bad life.
Oh.
So me know say it a go really start or real badness, I don't care. Through your jaw, How will you job up and feel like?
How many job for?
You job for somebody and I get them involved.
And Jaden,
no, you job for dime of them.
Oh, Willie, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, if you take them, so no blood clot or so. I plan thing.
Oh.
You understand me? I will say, yo, all right, add me. You see me, I'm tell them, I say, add me, and then I say, feel like same for me. Come on, go. I plan thing. But you job for them now. With monster.
No, Jaden never know. Jaden never know.
Afterwards, when he texts me, I in the left hand comment to comment. And box.
In a comment to WhatsApp, I didn't even have a box at first.
And me text him now. No, he text me, I said to me, when me I said, I when me I search his voice note, me I say, alright, then I want I can play, but the natural son, I want I can play. He said to me, say, yo, don't post that. So me text back and I say, no, man, I fuck around. And I say, come live, and his dad say, yo, me never want to go live, bro. Me get a break. I said, no, man, come in, man. But when I come live, take from my side. You see me? Like he trigger.
But guys, at the end of the day, to be honest, the pranks we're not going to do them because we realize it had no Jabass. It rub people wrong for true. Some people like actually look up to it. No, it rub like you see last night, me go down in a different like set of emotions when me start think about friends and them little thing and then me I said, but it actually like me feel like to a point to me, I say my friend them start move on away.
So tell Nippy brother inside.
So me did feel say I tell them me I chat them for true now, you know.
But me tell Nippy before me come live and my voice don't tell him.
That's why me not do no more. Me not so chang. Me can't manage them the pranky. Me don't want to do no more.
Before me end my live, my voice with Nippy, I say Nippy, where you get on the live and I fuck around. You know, real, isn't it?
You send me voice note when you send him. So me know you send him voice note, but at the same time, it just me not guys. Jabass, me can't keep up. Me can't keep up.
Me ask you.
Me can't keep up. They're too serious.
I say have to be serious. I never
Wait, no.
Night.
Remember, so we do it late in the night, so you know, so we never did expect that it was gonna go viral like that. And that too, it go viral too quick. No son attack somebody say another prank.
When I tell me never did all bad appeal, no man. When I send advice to them, they come and tell so you have to do it. The trigger your panel live. You not supposed to show some device for load panel so you shall wait till me come on live first.
Oh.
And then me add you. I might say me add you, but you start it from this or no bad man. You might say me could say me struck. When I send advice, me say, oh you start this over.
Yeah, cause me say you text me and I say, alright, video call you. But them not smart, cause me you cuss on me a video call you.
Come and tell you should the blood clot start his son, so if it start. We're
ready. We
can't do that.
No, me I didn't any live.
I think what is another thing.
Yeah, me drink it a bit. Look here guys, he man drink coffee him. Don't it, and look here now.
If you want sweet some man.
Me tell you say it's sweet, bad.
I'm not afraid again there.
No.
How are you mixing?
I girl mix here. I girl, what are they mixing?
Look, batty boy look here.
Nah, look me. Watch you know.
Look at pussy I look here.
Don't know man, everybody I look me.
Hot topic, where me go?
I don't know.
Yeah. Any guys see
me any right now. Yeah, guys, my God, bye bye. Let me come back alive again.